Number 3, 2 homes are destroyed after a fire in the Hardin Valley area. It sparked around noon today in a subdivision on Hickory Reserve Road. Firefighters with the Karnes Volunteer Fire Department say one home caught on fire and the wind blew the flames into the second home. Flames also damaged a third house.
This first house was about 80% involved. The wind was blowing fire onto this house that we're currently standing in front of. So we set up to put water on both, and try to save 1738. About 3-4 minutes into the scene, the wind shifted. We had sustained winds pushing the other way. And so we redeployed lines to that second house. But by that point, the fire was already in the second story.
Investigators are working to determine what sparked that initial fire. There were no reports of injuries.